NZXT Phantom ATX Full Tower Case, White, Fan 001WT. High performance cooling advantages, simple installation, additional advanced features, extensive compatibility and expandability. Color: white. Product description: Phantom Full Tower White from the manufacturer Phantom. Establish your presence overview. NZXT presents the cutting-edge Phantom Full Tower chassis. Designed with sleek, pristine contours, the Phantom radiates personality and quality. As with all NZXT products, we strive to set apart our customers from the rest with unique original designs. We go the extra mile so you won't have to settle with the typical rectangular box. The Phantom delivers high-performance cooling advantages with 7 fan cooling options, dual radiator support, quad water cooling cutouts and 520W per channel fan controls. An innovative 5.25 screwless system, vast space to encompass 7 hard drives and 5.25 bays, enable smooth customization. Establish your power, your presence. Critically acclaimed features: integrated fan controller, built-in fan controller for easy access, 5 channels for quick airflow customization, powered by 20W per channel for your fans. Convenient liquid cooling, 4 specialized cutouts for easy liquid cooling management. Expandability: dual radiator support up to 240 mm. Easy cable management, up to 22 mm clearance for cable management, which improves airflow. High performance cooling, capable of 7 fan cooling options, 4 fans included, with dual 200mm single-side 230/200mm triple 120mm and front 140mm fans. Note: NZXT only guarantees fitment with NZXT's FN200. Simple installation: 5.25 screwless rails make installing HDDs an effortless process. Rubber grommets dampen vibration during operation. Vast space within the enclosure allows for 7 hard drives with SSD support. Advanced features: LED on/off button to control fan lighting, rubber PSU and case feet to reduce vibration, easily removable front and top panels and top-mounted USB-C SATA port, audio and microphone jacks. Extensive compatibility features: support for larger heat sinks, up to 150/180 mm, graphics cards, 350mm VGA clearance, C and EATX motherboards, enabling enthusiasts to include any of today's hottest components. Technical specifications: model Phantom series, case type steel, full tower front panel material plastic/steel, dimensions WXHXD 222x540x623 mm, maximum clearance 350 mm, cooling system front C1x140 mm, rear 1x120 mm, included. Side deck 2x120 MC1x200/230, 2x120 mm included. Top 2x200 mm, 1x LED 200 mm included. Drive bays 5 external 5.25 drive bays 7 internal 3.5/2.5 slots, screwless rail design, materials steel with black finish, expansion slots 7, weight 11 kg, motherboard support EITSC ATXC microITSC baby ET. I'll be honest, it's the best case I've ever owned. Tons of featuresque, lots of room and exceptional style. Now see that being said, I want to go through the order I installed my components in the case. Hopefully this will help others in the future who purchase this for their builds. 1. There are 6 thumb screws on the back of the case. Mine were very tight and had to be loosened with a standard Phillips head screwdriver before I could untwist them with my hand. I took the top 2 and the bottom 2 out and didn't put them back in. The middle screws just needed to be loosened slightly, then pushed downwards. They are spring-loaded to allow the front and back panels to swing outwards. There is no need to remove them completely. 2. I opened the front panel and removed it completely. When swung all the way out, it falls away easily. There are no latches or screws to untwist. It's a very unique but efficient design. 3. In the bottom front right SSD slot is a box with instructions and bags of screws in it. Go ahead and remove that. Open the box and take the screws out. Look through the instructions and familiarize yourself with the inside of the case and plan in your head how you want things laid out. This step is especially important if you are installing a water cooling system. 4. I installed the spacer nuts in the case. If you look carefully, I needed extra light for this. The back of the case has notations for different motherboard sizes. The screw holes are designated with letters. For mech I have an ATX motherboard, and so I installed the spacers in the holes that had the letter A beside them. All of this is clearly explained with documentation that is etched into the metal itself inside the case. Grab a lamp or flashlight and shine it inside and you will be able to read it. 5. I installed my motherboard by screwing hexagonal screws into the spacers. Plenty are included in the box I mentioned a moment ago. 6. I installed my PCIe cards, my graphics and sound cards, into the motherboard. I had to remove some of the PCI slot mesh bars in order to do so. My graphics card, MSI NVIDIA GTX 980 http://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b0083516/refo_aui_detail page_008_s00IUTF8 $. Right parenthesis required me to remove 2 of these before it would fit. 7. I put my PSU in and secured it with screws on the back of the case. 8. In the bottom of the case is a hole where all of the case wiring comes through. I took off the back case panel and pushed the PCIe power cords, the main motherboard power cord and the SATA power cord from my PSU through this hole and brought them back through the grommets on the case. This allowed me to plug them in while maintaining excellent cable management inside my case. 9. I plugged in the secondary power cable to my motherboard, hooked up the SATA info cables to my motherboard and plugged in the power reset USB and other assorted case cables to my motherboard. Your motherboard should include instructions on where all of these connect. 10. I plugged in my case fans to the corresponding 2 pins. Each cable includes a small diagram of which fan it's for. They also correspond with the fan control sliders on the top of the case. Then I plugged in the standard Molex connector that powers the fan systems. 11. Last lick, I slid the doors back on, secured the back thumb screws, plugged in my monitors, sound cables, mouse, keyboard, etc. Then plugged in the PSU and hit the power button. The case is beautiful, the build was very easy and it works great. My case came with a USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 slots on the top of the case. The sliders on the top will both lessen the speed of your fans and dim their LEDSC if they have any.